Assalamualaikum and hi guys. I'm Dr. Dinarasma. I want to continue the second exercise that we can use in Google Earth Pro. Okay, so as you know, this is our study area. So what I want to teach you how we can actually digitize, okay, or maybe we want to mark our location so that we can save, and we can still can use that same location for the further analysis. Okay, for example, from the my place, okay, right click the my place and then add folder. Okay, so for example here I make it name as a my farm. Okay, and then click OK. Okay, and you will see here has a folder name as my farm, and then you have to right click my farm and add. Okay, remember, as I told you, in GIS we have a point, okay, polygon, and polyline. So now I would like to create a polygon as my point of interest. Okay, so when we click in the polygon here, maybe I can mark as plot 1. Okay, and then I can change the style of line. What I want to make a line, maybe I choose black. Okay, and make it 3 width, and the color maybe I choose this color, orange, like orange. Okay, so it's more nature color. And then in plot 1, okay, what we can do is, okay, so you can digitize the point of interest, okay, the area of interest that you want to choose. For example, this is my study area, so I would like to digitize this area as my basement. Okay, so please see how I digitize this area. So from the edge of the plot here, okay, okay, now you see, okay, and we click OK. So this is my plot 1. Okay, and I can digitize a lot of, like, maybe want to add plot 2 maybe. Okay, just make a name plot 2 and save. Can change the color whatever I like. Okay, maybe light green. Okay, and save. Same technique. You just go to the edge of the polygon that you want to create. Okay, see, and then you have to click OK in the new polygon. So you have plot 1 and plot 2. Okay, and also I would like to show you how we can actually add other things. For example, we can add place mark. For example, here, since we have river, so I would like add river, and I would like to change the icon. Okay, so for river, maybe we can take this icon. Okay, and please remember to click OK, and you have to pinpoint where is your river you want to place the new place mark. Okay, so this is the place mark. You can move actually, or maybe we can try again. Okay, place mark here, and then you see, then we have to move before we click OK. If we didn't move, it's considered your place mark is there. Okay, so we can rename. Okay, river one. Okay, and we can choose whatever icon you want. Okay, okay, and that's it. And you see here, you can change other things, add the link, description, if you have photo, if you have anything. Okay, and then okay, so you see, you have river, you have your plot here, and the best thing is you can also, this is the other thing that you can try. Okay, you can add the photo. Okay, and you can save place as, okay, as a KML format. Okay, so you can when you close the Google Earth, you can open again your file. Okay, using your project name. Okay, for example, now this is your file name that we create just now, and if we close, okay, and then we go to the Google Earth. Okay, and then we can see that our file here. Okay, so you can add a lot of folder here for your references or for your analysis or your own project. Okay, and you can try and you can do some activities. Okay, and you can still can open and save your project. Okay, that's all for this exercise. Please try and let me know if you have any problem. Thank you so much. Bye.